caring and strong. They help me and support me in everything I do. They teach me good values and make me better person. That's why I look up to. That's my hero. Thank you. Hello everyone. My name is Matthew. My rhyme name is Buzz. Little world. Do you know I am so different? How that so? I have a beak, my food to eat. Unlike you, I have a no teeth. I have a feathers, soft and light. My wings and my tail, happy in the flight. At the end of the day, I come back home to my nest. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Dhanu. My topic is importance of friendship. Friends are like stars in the sky. They shine bright, make our life beautiful. Friends make us happy. Good friends are honest, kind and supportive. They stand by us in tough time and celebrate our joy success. Thank you.
बहुत ही प्यारी स्पीच दी हमारे बच्चों ने। इतनी हार्ड स्पीच बच्चों को लर्न करना भी बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है और हमारी टीचर
ચરણોમાં જીવન અર્પણ થઈ જાય તો એની ગેસ कौन सा परफॉर्मेंस हो सकता है?
लालो लालो
यस लालो। सो बोलो द्वारिका धीश की जय। द्वारिका तक ये जयकार होनी चाहिए। बोलो रणछोड़ राय की जय। क्या बात है। बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर ऑल ऑफ देम।
and the students name are Ansh, Shivansh, Vatsal, Arav, Kanil, Naitik, Kavyansh, Harshiv, Shaurya, Malay, Deven, Rihan, Manvit, Gaurav, Savya, Vivek, Arav, Charmi, Navya, Danak, Dhwani, Prisha, Savi, Shivai. They are studying in Junior KG, Chitrakoot branch and coordinated by teacher Khushbu Madam.
बस बस बोले बोले सही बस बस बोले बोले बोले
હે યશોદાનો લાલો મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે એણે મને માયા લગાડી